タートいい形で切っていったのは阿部ケイトです。阿部ケイトホールショット。そして鈴木が
転倒だ。いやー、これは
クラッシュになる。
That was a strange crash. If we have a behind view of that, I would like to see what happened.
On the switchback here, on the brakes, Bowlegger comes through, and Karakasula's off. That's Akacher off, and Karakasula off. Big drama.
In and takes time. Oh, that looks horrendous crash.
That's a big accident.
On board of the crash, so just on the brakes, back a few gears, and took the front, slides along the ground, and the bike starts cartwheeling into the side of the track.
Mercandelli che va a incappare in un highside, il contatto con Spinelli pericolosissimo, incredibilmente Spinelli rimane in piedi e per fortuna Mercandelli, la moto.
Ferruccio Zenki. Oh! Is that Van Erp? Van Erp has gone big. Watch this here, second rider in shot, just over the bars. Look, he had to step off. And that, oh, I tell you what, did he get hit by the bike there as well, back of the legs.
Till de ledande två. Oj! Och det blir en highsider för Filip.
Curse te descurajează, te descumpărești complet, mai ales că sunt prieteni cu amândoi cei implicați. Iată, lovit în plin Bogdan Unghianu acolo.
Y otra vez, frena, tapa el interior a Lisbiu, saben que se lo han hecho ahí. Ahora lo vuelve a hacer. Eris, cuidado que se tocan. Eris ya echaba a Lisbiu fuera. No ha podido Eris Fernández. Le ha podido el ímpetu.
Senna is around the outside there. That's fouls on, lost the front. Like they're all blaming him right now. He really is, and he had an off. Everyone thought, well, maybe that might just show a bit of a chink in the armour, but he's so strong at the moment that his first flying lap after that crash was a 32.
Into 5 and nice onto the roller coaster we go, and Alex Dumas. Oh no, he's down! Oh my God! Jeepers! Dumas, disaster for Dumas. Holy, jumped up. Slow getting up, Colin.
Here we see him following Garin out of the turn 2 hairpin onto that rough patch of new pavement, and then something happens. I think maybe the back end broke loose. He almost caught it, and he got
Everybody taking curb now. Here comes Teague Hobbs, the winner. Oh, and he's taken him out. The two teammates go down. Glody is taken out by Tommaso Marcon. Towards the end of this opening lap, pick a winner. Oh! Goes down, the championship leader goes down, and down goes Dominic Doyle as well. There are 2 or 3 riders now. Barrel rolls down, and a 4th rider. I think, yeah, there's definitely something down on the floor there.
They need to red flag this.
We are definitely going to get a red flag. I am.
Ele fez ali a aproximação e acabou se perdendo ali o Betinho, e ali o highside, né? Acaba virando o passageiro da moto.
Pois é, tomou um highside ali. Highside é uma queda um pouco mais forte.
Ana Lima segura. Ana Lima. Passou reta Ana Lima. Imagem para você. Na segunda perna do S. O choque, 2 pilotos juntos ali, né? Um deles me pareceu ali. Você vê, ele saindo pela pista auxiliar e tá no chão. Tá no chão, Marco Teodoro. Fim de corrida para ele.
Breaks into AMF corner. Looks like he may have just lost it mid-corner. He lost the front in exactly the same spot that Glenn Allerton lost the front. Allerton's play, you can see, that gap just closed where Hamad was trying to get into. And you can see there he's caught in Levi Russo's machine. Glenn Nelson on board bike number 39. Back in the lead, that's someone crashing out. That was Waters. And also Teo Aksu on board bike number 9.
Se reincorpora este año a la categoría cuando se va Gómez al suelo.
Al piso, Ezequiel Gómez, un susto hace unas vueltas y ahora lamentable. Ojo con Grasa que lo va a ir a buscar a Silva. ¡Uy, se cayeron! Al piso, lamentablemente va a ser victoria.
No, he hasn't, you see. No, he hasn't. You see what I mean? It's a compromise.
Oh, no!
It's a big crash.
Owen Jenner on the power, flies through the air.
Well, he tried it a few laps ago. He sort of dropped down the hill after the first dip. Little bit of front brake on there. You've got to think that a couple of factors could have been possibly cold tyre and...
これは大きな事故になる。3台ですね。3台2位争いをしていたゼッケン73番の中村。さあ表彰台、そしてその頂点一番高いところに転倒だ。33番国
転倒ですね。
頭を抱えた。
ちょっとフロントが
El doblete, el Jerez, carrerón de
17 segundos.
Uy, madre mía, se ha caído, ojo, cuidado.
Vamos a reconocer, aquí hemos repetido.
Mira, en el mismo sitio que Oscar, un poco más tarde que él, pero también ha perdido la rueda delantera.
Let's have a look.
That's the aftermath, blimey. They've got an awful lot of work to do to get that fixed later on.
Yeah, you would have to think that
Nigel trying to feel yourself coming around there, just trying to get some drive. Oh, it looks like maybe collided with
that, but also a totally different team. Oh, Jeff May.
Whoa, big crash, and unfortunately the bike is still going down. Roger, I know we'll get to take another look.
That's quite early in the corner, so that looks like it could have been a front end lose. Then Scotty Nicholson just goes to tip in at the top of the track there. That's up near Suzuki. Temperatures, you need to hold down. There's Bramich on the Amex replay. He's gone down, lost the front. Then he's had to get out of the way. Noel Mann has followed him in. Didn't quite catch that, but you can see
he's really riding the wheels off of that Kawasaki. And it's definitely been one of the standout performances.
Oh, massive crash by Jack Scott.
It was.
Big high side. Luckily he's all right. He's out the way. Just a bit too much throttle. He was coming.
Ahora se está acrecentando la ventaja
de Silvia al piso, se lo termina llevando lamentablemente también Agustín Salazar. Mira el Dibu, quedó prendido en esa y en una banquina.
Oh, clipped. Oh, that is big. And one was a guy catching the backhand. The guy that was in front had no idea it was coming.
Yeah, it looks like someone just got in a little. Maybe he didn't expect to.
But he was obviously lining himself up for another quick lap, and that's the left-hander at Crane again. Yeah, and that's a lot of damage.
Yeah, it's the busy
that's
lunch.
A lot of damage.
It's a busy lunch for Tag Honda. That's a massive crash.
Yeah, it is.
He couldn't get it stopped. He clatters into Tom Sykes. He's gone down himself. I hope he's okay, Jason.
Oh, huge moment there. I think that was one of the Idemitsu bikes. Oh, that's a huge crash there.
Bagian dalam. Ya, di kelompok hadapan. Melibatkan 3 pelumba yang terjadi.
1コーナー守りました。まずオープニングラップはそして転倒だ。ストレートで大きな転倒です。ストレートで大きな転倒。He missed the gear.
Oh.
The number 86, it looked like.
Yeah.
66.
66.
Now another pass position over contact.
Oh, man. Kayla go down. Oh, man. Into turn 5. Man.
La diferencia en el campeonato. Últimas 2 vueltas de carrera. Uy, Díaz Patrón. Se enganchó con Pedro Alessandrini al piso. Uy, golpe durísimo. Golpe durísimo de Díaz Patrón.
To Hussein, here it is. Just too deep in the corner and just all got away from him. And unfortunately for him, the bike skids all the way to the wall at the far end of the corner.
Härligt! Oliver Ryvall. Där igen, Kalle.
It's the return of the favour, and as they come through there, big problems in the back. Oh man, Jason Lamb goes straight into the back of Michael Smith, and big wayward maneuver there from.
Na entrada da zero, highside, e aí a queda do Black. Moto 560 para Juraci Black, o campeão da categoria Master.
A prova logo no começo. Você vê o momento do toque entre eles. 2 posicionamentos de câmera. Verdadeiro luxo para você conferir o detalhe. E saber também.
Sind erst in der zweiten von 15 Runden. Und Sturz im Hintergrund. Der nächste, der das Bike in den Acker wirft, Leon Langstädtler, ebenfalls raus aus dem Rennen.
Der gefahren, der kennt natürlich auch jeden Winkel, aber der Fieb auch. Fieb, kleiner Fehler gemacht. Oh.
Then from pole position, just dropped a few positions.
Oh, we got Fowler in the background there, and that's a big pile up with a few riders down. That is very unfortunate. The safety car.
A little bit squiggly there, goes a little bit deep. There's the number 14.
We have a crash there for a rider who's gone down. Oh, dearie me. 3 riders down. One of them looks like Carter Thompson, unfortunately.
Oh my goodness! Oh, it's a big one. It's a big smash for Adam. Here's the race. Oh, Adam McLean is off. Oh, high-sided off. Sweeney does well to avoid him. But Adam
Oh yeah, see that just where the track levels out, dips. The suspension unloads, but that's spectacular. Unfortunately, it looks like all the guys walking away.
He made a great start. You can see him slowing. Boom, contacted by Harley McCabe. Bailey Stewart can absolutely nowhere to go. Look at McCabe into the back. Left-hand side, total chaos on the opening start of this race.
So then Skinner leads from Brad Ray, then a bit of a go.
Oh,
and Jackson, and that's at the top of the mountain. There's another rider down as well. Oh, dearie me, and
che però deve cedere la posizione. Brutta
bruttissima caduta.
Brutta ragazzi, fermi, chiudere il gas tutti. Ai, brutta.
I think the track's holding him. Remember Eli and Callum talking earlier about it's sticky as Cooper Webb gets clipped from behind.
Cooper Webb comes up short, he cases. Cooper Webb, I think Cooper Webb got confused where he was in the rhythm section.
What a save.
I'm surprised at 33.
Connects in air as Jet Lawrence comes across.
Help March makes on that one.
Joe Shimoda's down over the bars. Bersikowski has been able to make a good start down into big crash. And you can see their big instant on the run down in towards turn 1. A lot of riders coming close to one another on that run. He's fast, couple of corners now at 13 and 14. And then he's going... big high side there for him, and where does the bike come through? He's very, very lucky.
Golden Goose photographers.
Oh, so we had, goodness me, so we had, that was a massive high side. So that was Venturini who went down.
His tire starts to spin, bike goes sideways, boom, down he goes, and then Joe Shimoda, nowhere he could go. Pow, man. Oh, I hate to see that.
Not like it, but look at this final corner. Andy Mohammed Fadli is caught, and that takes out 1, 2, 3, including Adnan.